What's up YouTube, Carlo here, welcome to the vlog, and for this episode we're going to unbox this really nice looking lucky bag that we got from Adidas here in Shibuya. Let's go! Before we get to it, let me just give a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, Rose Gold and Black. Rose Gold and Black is an Australian company that specializes in men's accessories such as bracelets and necklaces. Most of the designs are really kick-ass. I love the one with the grenade, and this particular one that I'm wearing with me is my all-time favorite with the black beaded bracelet. Now, for you guys, specifically for this vlog, there is a 25% discount link down in the description just for you, thanks to our friends from Rose Gold and Black. Make sure that you guys support them because they support this vlog as well, and it allows me to keep on churning out content for you. Lucky bags or FUKOBUKORO bags here in Japan happen every year, specifically during the New Year time. The concept is very simple. Stores get to attract a lot more customers during New Year when they put out these bags in the front of their stores. So the concept is people would come over, they would buy the bags, and they would blindly get items. They have no idea what's inside. But the reason why they get it, apart from it being an exciting unboxing experience, is that the total value of what's inside the box is usually 2 times, 3 times more than what you paid for it. So that's the reason why they're called like lucky bags. Now the problem, of course, it's still a game of chance because you don't know what's inside, if you would actually need the items inside, but there are tips or there are ways to be able to get an idea of what you're going to get. For example, in Adidas in Shibuya, people actually peek inside the bag when the attendants aren't looking. So they have an idea already of what it is that they're going to get. Some stores like McDonald's actually announce what they are offering and what they are selling beforehand. We even chanced upon another store that was actually doing luxury FUKOBUKORO bags or luxury bags with brands such as Off-White, brands such as Jimmy Choo, and they would already give a description of what's inside those bags. And I'll talk about that in a bit. But for now, let's do an unboxing of this Adidas FUKOBUKORO lucky bag that we picked up from Adidas Shibuya. Now this one set me back 20,000 yen, roughly 10,000 pesos or $200. So it's definitely not the most affordable or cheapest like thing that you can get, or like a mystery box, but yeah, it's something that I wanted to do for the vlog just so we get an idea of what's inside. Now this one is all in size medium. It will be all given to the wife. The stuff that she doesn't want, we will raffle away. So let's take a look at what's inside. Here's the tag. As you guys can see, it says there 21,000 yen or 20,000 yen for the actual price of the bag. I heard that there was a 10,000 version of this bag, but that sold out pretty fast, and that the specific bag for the women actually sold out faster, way faster than that of the men's. This is actually the Adidas Originals lucky bag, which is unisex, and that's why the wife can still enjoy what's inside. So let's bring out the items one by one and do a tally of all the items that's inside the bag versus how much we paid. First up, we have an Adidas Originals backpack. So this one sells for 7,490 yen, and it's your typical black Adidas Originals backpack, which can probably fit like most laptops, but isn't really more for people who are grown up. So again, this one is 7,500 yen, roughly a little over 3,500 pesos. Next up, we have an Adidas Original shirt. This one is in green, and the total cost of this one is 4,290 yen, or a little over 2,000 pesos. So let's take a look at what the shirt looks like so you guys get an idea. So it does have that some sort of texture that's very similar to like jerseys. So this is the shirt. So it just has the Adidas logo all splattered all over it, back and front. A very light shirt. Nothing too special, but hey, if you're a huge fan of Adidas, looks kind of nice. The third item is something that costs 13,000 yen. This one looks some sort of like weather vest. It's like a bubble vest that you wear during the winter time. So again, it's 13,000 yen, or roughly around 6,500 or 7,000 pesos. So let's just take a look at what it looks like so you guys get the feel for what's inside. So yeah, it's your typical vest, Adidas vest. So it's just color black. It's meant to keep you warm, and it just has a very minimalist branding over here at the front. And this one goes to the wife. If we just go with the total amount of the items that we've already pulled out of the bag, we're already over 20,000 yen. So we've already exceeded the amount of how much we paid for. But again, the question is, do you need those items, right? Me, not so much. Item number 4 is our track pants. So this one sells for 8,890 yen. It's color navy blue. So you have track pants. This is all the rage with the athleisure thing going on, not just in the Philippines, but all over the world. So it's your typical 3 stripes Adidas track pants, which looks great because it kind of highlights the, what do you call this, the sneakers that you are wearing, because it kind of tapers down a bit. So it is in medium, it is in navy blue, looks pretty nice. Again, 8,890 yen. The last item inside the bag, wow, this is an Adidas 3 stripes track jacket. So that, which matches the color of the pants. So this one also is in size medium, sells for 9,900 yen. Looks really nice. So wow, let's just pull it out of the bag so you guys get an idea what it is. So here you go. It is the matching top to the pants. It is in navy blue. You have the 3 stripes running along the shoulder, and you have the Adidas logo up here at the front of the jacket. So it does, the tag does say here 9,900 yen. So this really goes well, man. So if you really buy the bag, you're really decked out in Adidas gear. You have the tracksuit, you have the track pants, you have the Adidas shirt, you have the backpack, and if it's winter, you can even put on the vest. So if you will add up the value of all the items that we picked up, it's easily twice the amount of what we paid for. It's at 43,700 something yen versus the amount we paid for of 20,000 yen. So it is double the value of what we shelled out. But again, the question is, do you need it? Do you need the items before you call it savings? So Adidas is just one of the few brands that's doing the lucky bags or the FUKOBUKORO bags here in Japan. One of the stores that, like what I mentioned earlier, was an off-white retailer in the Sakazen building somewhere in Shibuya. So it's actually like some sort of secret shop located at the basement, because when the building doesn't look nice, but when you go one floor down, they have the Balenciagas, they have the Off-Whites, the Jimmy Choos, the Monocles. I mean, all the really amazing hype designer brands were all there. Now, the lucky bag of Off-White is 50,000 yen or 25,000 pesos, and you get 3 items. You get a shirt, or you get a sweatshirt, you get pants, and you get accessories. So if you will just go by the prices of what Off-White products are being sold in the Philippines, in Manila, that's amazing value for money. But again, do you want to get like Off-White gear? Do you want to get dressed head to toe Off-White? That's the thing that you should ask yourself if ever you guys want to pick up like one of those bags. But if you are in the market, if you are in, if you are like a die-hard Adidas fan, if you are a die-hard like Off-White fan, I think the lucky bags make a lot of sense, because you get to get like a full set, a full complement of clothes for half the price. It's basically shopping at 50% off without you knowing what you're getting. I was just about to pack everything when I saw that there was still one more item in the bag. This is a black Adidas shirt, and this one sells for 4,490 yen, which brings up our total to little over 47 or 48,000 yen for the value of what was inside the bag. So yeah guys, that's actually it for this vlog. Very straightforward, very simple unboxing of the FUKOBUKORO lucky bag that we picked up from Adidas Shibuya. Please do make sure that you watch the entire playlist of our Japan series. I already did a video on the Shibuya sneaker shopping guide. We did a video on the Harajuku sneaker shopping guide. We also did a video on the Air Force One customization that we did over at Nike Omentesando. And we also did a video talking about the Air Force One that we got from the Ukay Ukay in Manila that we brought here to Japan. And of course, we also have the unboxing of the Yeezy 700 V2 Static. Apart from that, you can expect a few more videos coming your way in the coming days from our Japan series. We also have the unboxing of all the sneakers that we picked up. We picked up quite a lot, so we will be doing an unboxing of our Japan haul. That's something that you guys wouldn't want to miss. And we will also be doing a review, well, several reviews of some of the sneakers that we picked up as well. And lastly, I'm thinking of wrapping everything up with a vlog that talks about like 7 reasons why sneakerheads should go to Japan or Tokyo specifically during the holiday season. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful, amazing new year. I hope all of your fingers are still complete. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.